I'm Anakwari Sanit Kashara, and today I would like to present a review of a non-fiction book titled The Intellectual Toolkit of Geniuses by I.C. Robledo. This book belongs to the non-fiction and self-development genre. It focuses on how to improve our way of thinking so we can become smarter and become more effective in solving problems. The book is inspired by great geniuses such as Charles Darwin, Albert Einstein, and Leonardo da Vinci. It explains how they think and how we can apply the similar thinking patterns in our daily lives. This book contains 40 principles of thinking, such as includes thinking critically, having strong curiosity, viewing problems in different perspectives, and the last is not easily believing some information without evidence. And next is there are several important points in this book. The first one is critical thinking, which means thinking logically and analytically. The second is curiosity, which means having strong desire to learn. Third is open-mindedness, which means being open to new ideas, and the last is problem solving, which means the ability to solve problems effectively. There are several strengths in this book. It's like the language is very easy to understand and short but meaningful and many useful insights. However, the book also has some weakness, it's like the explanations are not very deeply and it feels more like summary than detailed discussion, and there are limited real-life examples. Anyways, there are two lines I like the most and I remember the most. The first line is that you cannot truly disagree with someone's viewpoints until you completely understand what it is that they believe and why they believe it. The second line is realize that if you always get your information from the people who hold your own perspective or own views, then you are missing out on getting a bigger picture understanding. Which means that we should not judge or reject other people's opinions too quickly. Instead, we need to take time to truly understand what their perspective and the reason behind them. It also reminds us that if we only listen to the people who agree with us, our thinking becomes limited. To grow and gain a broader understanding, we should be open to different viewpoints, even if they challenge our own beliefs. From this book, we can learn the importance of critical thinking. We should not easily trust information without evidence. We also learn that we must keep learning and improving ourselves because thinking skills can be trained. In conclusion, this book is very useful for improving our mindsets. It is especially suitable for beginners who want to learn how to think like geniuses. I will recommend this book to students and teenagers because this book is not really long and the language is very simple and easy to understand. Overall, this book is very interesting book, very good and very motivating, and this book is also reminds us that never think that we are better than others and never feel too comfortable staying in our comfort zone, or we cannot be developed, we cannot be grow, and we cannot be better. That's all. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.